Okay, I checked Google for the latest updates on Elon Musk. It looks like the big news right now is a feud between him and Donald Trump. Several news outlets are reporting on Trump calling Musk names and suggesting he's lost his mind. Some outlets are even reporting on the possibility of Trump selling his Tesla. Steve Bannon is also commenting on the situation, saying there's no going back for Musk after he called for Trump's impeachment. So, to sum it up, the main update about Elon Musk is a very public disagreement with Donald Trump.